What's good, guys? Welcome back to another video. I hope you are doing great. Like always, I'm in a good mood. I hope you are too. If not, I hope this video will make it better. Let's just dive right into the video. We're finna make something fire, so let's get it. Let's just open up Analog Lab. I think I want to make like something really wavy. I think I'm in that type of vibe, something like for maybe Playboi Carti. I'm going to use the Lydian scale as well in the key of E. I mean, that's sounding smooth already. Ain't gonna lie. It's simple, but let's open up Analog Lab again. We're finna search for like a lead something to like complement the main chords. To this sound, let's just add some Valhalla vintage reverb to like make it a little bit more ambient. The other sound, we will add a lot of reverb. Put this on Sanctuary. Let's put some Pancake on this as well. And we'll maybe give it some more bounce with Kickstart. Yeah, much better. Let's just do something like this, just really simple. And then right here, make it a little bit more unique. And what we'll do to this sound is add some Valhalla delay. Right now, what the melody only needs is some chords. We might just like open up Analog Lab again because I really love Analog Lab for some pads and some ambience to add that in there. I wouldn't go for like some really light drums, but like a hard knocking 808. Like for example, this 808 from my kit. Yeah, this clap will do right here, and drag up the volume, and then like this. Just copy that over. I'm using Command B just to like copy and paste it. That is sounding cold already. All right, let's try to reverse the lead sound. So right here, reverse. Last but not least, I want to add an ARP sound just to like spice it up a little bit more on the second part of the hook, because right now I think it's sounding a little bit too simple. So we're just going to use the chords from like the pad and then add some halftime on it. What I like to do is just like shuffle this and then just go through the sounds. Woo! I kind of like this one. Shit, I got hundreds in my bag and it's not enough. Shooters in the bag and it's not enough. Ooh, my baby. I need to freestyle on this beat, bro. Holy, this beat is hard. It's simple, but bro, so much room. All right. Let's just try to record something on this. I'm just like feeling inspired. I got the beat right here. I got my autotune in the right key. I got some presets. Also, like the audio quality of the vocal won't be like super good because I got the air conditioning on and this mic is not made for this, so don't expect much. But this is just like top lining and freestyling. It's not like literally saying words type of shit, but it's just like mainly to like catch the flow and stuff. So all right, here we go. Yeah, I got ice on my neck, that's all right. I got 10 bitches in the bag, that's all right. Shit, it's not enough. Shit, 10 pills up in my truck. Shit, I got all this water in my cup. Shit, yeah, all this jewelry on me, feel alright, feeling high. Shit, do the money dance, that's all right. All right. Let's see how that sounds. So track 11. Shit, it's not enough. Shit, 10 pills up in my truck. Shit, I got all this water in my cup. Shit, yeah, all this jewelry on me, feel alright, feeling high. Shit, do the money dance, that's alright. You get the idea, bro. Personally, I think my vocal is sounding a little bit too high, so let's just pitch this down. Shit, it's not enough. 10 pills up in my truck. Shit, I got all this water in my cup. Shit, yeah, all this jewelry on me, feel alright, feeling high. Shit, do the money dance, that's alright. I got all this bags in my dance, that's alright. Shit, bro, I'm enjoying myself with this. I might just like fuck around and record a whole song to this beat. Bro, this beat hard. There's a lot of room for a vocal, as you just heard. I like it more when it was pitched down. This tutorial showed you how to make like a calm Playboi Carti type of beat all from scratch inside of FL Studio. So I hope you enjoyed it. I hope you especially learned from this. If you did, don't forget to leave a like and a comment down below. Would appreciate that. Make sure to follow me on Instagram @SkanaBeats. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next video, guys. Peace.